fell for this. But I'm going to give you a break. Learn from Frank. Or you'll be Frank. It's your choice. Frank, do we understand each other?
As much as that's possible.